Everybody wants in our lane. This must be the popular lane.
This is the lane that carries you through down there. What'd you get?
Fresh Georgia peaches.
Peaches?
Fresh.
Oh, me.
Where's the big bowl?
Everything okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you.
I'll come back and check on you.
Okay.
All right. Ain't that well?
Mm-hmm. It's made from the pea in the bottom.
Huh.
It's even got the petals on it.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Rolling down the road, got my sights set high. From Tennessee skies to the mountains wide, in my road trek Zion, chasing the sun. Woodall's RV in USA, living the dream, enjoying the day.
And good morning from Woodall's RV in USA, living the dream and enjoying the day. And today, Melissa and I are setting out on our journey to the East Coast, and we want to take y'all all along. So please stay with us, get on the ride, enjoy where we're going. First off, Macon, Georgia, right before we get into Savannah. But you know, the only thing that I hate is getting into that Atlanta traffic. It's always rough, but y'all hang in there with us. We'll see you there.
Welcome to Georgia.
Well, you can see the skyline, and you can also see the bumper-to-bumper traffic we're fixing to get into. And Melissa's over there on her phone trying to find some place to go to when we get to Macon. You know, that's what she always does, but I know we'll find a Cracker Barrel later. See y'all there. I don't know about y'all, but Atlanta traffic is awful. And look at the price of gas. Did that pump say $3.89? Oh my, it's gonna get higher as we go north, I know. What'd you get?
Fresh Georgia peaches.
Peaches?
Fresh.
Oh me.
He said, them things been said, he said, we've sold them like hotcakes. I said, are they good? He said, just make they good.
Melissa, how in the world do you come up with all these places? And look at that wrought iron fence. This must be a special place you're taking me to. I think I see. And guess where we are?
We're at the Big House, the
At the
Allman
Big
Brothers
House.
Museum in
That's
Macon,
right.
Georgia.
Macon, Georgia.
Yep.
We're fixing to take and go inside. And you know how we are. We're walking around trying to find stuff. The Allman Brothers Band Museum in the Big House is where we're at. Mushrooms. Mm-hmm. Now where do we go? I guess over this way. Ain't that well?
Mm-hmm. It's made from the pea in the bottom.
Huh.
It's even got the petals on it.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Does that sign say? Huh.
The Big House, built in 1900, served as the communal hub from 1970 to 73 for the Allman Brothers Band. In 1993, Kurt and Kristen West made the Big House their home with the dream of preserving it and their extensive memorabilia collection for fans far and wide to enjoy. In 2009, the Allman Brothers Band Museum at their Big House opened and all their dreams came true.
How y'all doing? It's fine. How are you? Give the man some money. Yes.
It's gonna be 30.
Okay, Melissa, while you're waiting on him to make change, you need to go over there and sign that register and let them know where we're from. The Allman Brothers Band, formed in Jacksonville, Florida in 1969, pioneered the Southern rock genre by flushing blues, jazz, and country with improvisational gems. Driven by brothers Dwayne and Greg Allman, the band overcame early tragedies and breakups to become one of the rock's most legendary live acts. Dwayne Allman, an established session guitarist, assembled the band in March of 1969 in Macon, Georgia. The classic lineup featured Dwayne Allman, slide guitar and lead guitar, Greg Allman, vocals and keyboards, Dickie Betts, lead guitar, vocals, Barry Oakley, bass, Butch Trucks, drums, Jaya Johnny, Jahoni Johnson, drums. They were one of the first racially integrated bands in the South and pioneered the twin lead guitar sound. Their breakthrough came with the 1971 album At Fillmore East, widely celebrated as one of the greatest live albums in rock history. While visiting the Big House, don't forget to stop in at the gift shop and get all your Allman Brothers memorabilia. There are all kinds of things that you can see and look at and purchase. So make sure that you contribute in that way. And look at all those pictures. Isn't that neat to see all those? The Big House of the Allman Brothers Band in the early 1970s is now a museum that holds the largest collection of Allman Brothers memorabilia in the world. The nearly 6,000 square foot Tudor-style mansion is packed with rare artifacts spanning the band's personal and professional lives. Notable items on display include the iconic instruments, Dwayne Allman's infamous 1957 Les Paul gold-top guitar, Greg Allman's Melissa guitar, and Barry Oakley's Fender bass. Also handwritten items from the original tour Cellist diaries, Dwayne's New Year's resolution, and hand-scrolled lyrics for songs like My Only True Friend. Personal belongings also include stage clothing, family photographs, and magazine covers. The billboards table, an ornate pool table once owned by Greg Allman and Cher, topped with the ticket stubs, packaged passes, and assorted bottables. The recreation room, Dwayne's bedroom, and Brittany Oakley's bedroom have been preserved exactly how they were when the band lived there. You can find visiting hours, tickets, prices, and event information on the Big House Museum website. And Dwayne Allman was in this room here. There's some of his guitars.
His personal belongings are in the closets. The shoes that he was wearing and the poster of him fishing.
Well, Melissa, you did it again. You found something that was worthwhile coming and looking at. Because, you know, I love the Allman Brothers Band, and it was during our time. So we got to see a lot of stuff that we never would have got to see unless we come to the museum. And I'm glad we did, but now we got to be getting on uptown and see what else we can find. Oh goodness, look at those stained glass windows. Aren't those beautiful? Well, Melissa, that was time well spent, but now we got to go on uptown and see what else we can find. You know, there's a lot of old homes, cobblestone streets, and one of them that we heard about was the Hay House. I don't know what the Hay House is, but we're going to look around and see if we can find it. The Hay House in Macon, Georgia is a National Historic Landmark known as the Palace of the South, an Italian Renaissance Revival mansion built between 1856 and 1859, notable for its advanced features like hot and cold running water, central heating, and a speaker tube system. Now a museum operated by the Georgia Trust for Historical Preservation. As we look from the park off the hill, you can see how beautiful Macon, Georgia really is. The skyline is beautiful. Well, time to head back to the Cracker Barrel for the night. We'll see y'all when we get there. Well, there's one thing about it. We got the screen door open. It's nice and it's cool, and you're already ready for bed. What do you mean this?
I'm ready. It's been a long
I
day.
think she got tired today. She was showing me a thing that she got a while ago. It's a, what do you call that?
A personal air conditioner.
A personal air conditioner.
That's
Have
right.
any of y'all ever heard of one of those?
That's right.
Hey, have you got it up there?
Yes.
Here, show everybody what that is. I want you to get you a little personal air conditioner. I'll show everybody
You just
what
want
it is.
everybody to see me in my pajamas.
Come up here this way. Whoa, that's good.
It's like
That's
it.
good.
It's called Arctic Air. And it's got a little cooling plate in the back of it, and it's got a place right there, and you put it around your neck.
Put it around your neck. Now, she bought this so that when she gets down to Savannah, she could take and put it on her neck and walk around with it so she can stay cool.
It's because I don't like hot weather. Anything over 75 is a no for me.
But
I don't
we'll
even
be
go.
okay.
I don't even go to the beach till October.
You're a weenie.
No, I'm hot natured, and I stay hot enough as it is. I'm the one that freezes you to death all the time.
That's what I'm talking about. Having something to put on around your neck to keep you cool.
That's right.
I tell you what,
I'm bougie. That's all I can tell you.
it's been a good day today because we actually got to go uptown in Macon and got to go around up there, and we saw some of the prettiest buildings I believe I've ever seen in houses that were just humongous.
Well, there is old antebellum and like French Greek revival and all that houses. And for Savannah to supposedly been a poor town, they got some massive houses in it, I can tell you that.
And the thing I really liked about it was all the cobblestone streets
Yes.
that was up through there. It was,
Like I said, the architecture is phenomenal.
and the old moss and stuff in the trees out in the yards and stuff. It just looked, it was just pretty to be able to see it. And we got some video of that. So
Got to go see one of our favorite bands of,
Yeah.
our day.
how long has it been since you heard them?
Not long. I play them all the time. I play 70s and 80s classic rock on my radio anyway, on my TV.
I think I'm getting tired. And what are we going to do? I think we're going to get up in the morning and try to leave here from Macon in the morning about 5 o'clock. That'll put us in Savannah about 2.5 hours.
About 8 o'clock.
About 8 o'clock, 8:30, we should be there. And hopefully we'll be able to find a good parking spot.
Well, that's the good thing about having this van is because we can get to these places like we did in Georgia, at the railroad and some of the other places. We can get there early and kind of hang out and
Eat breakfast.
eat breakfast. We put our little screens up and nobody knows we're in the van, and
Right.
we do kind of hang out, and we don't have to worry about trying to beat traffic and close parking spaces and all that, and it don't bother me to get there early.
But we'll get to see a lot, hopefully. I'm hoping I'm going to get to film a lot and see a lot of stuff there.
Yeah.
One of the things we wanted to highlight was the part there where Forrest Gump was at, and the water fountain there in the chair that he sat in. We want to see if we can find it, take a look for it. Well, I guess y'all know how it is. We are winding down for the evening. We went inside and got us a bite to eat at the Cracker Barrel, and it was real good. Melissa had her favorite chicken and dumplings, and we're still on our diet, y'all, so
That was lunch.
that was lunch. Yeah, because we didn't get to eat any lunch. We didn't get here until about what?
Well, we got here probably about 12, but we went uptown and messed
we
around
went
uptown and all that, so we didn't come back here till, what, 5?
Yeah, it was
About 5 o'clock.
Yeah, we didn't. We got back here about 5:30, something like that. And we got a little friend of ours, him and his dad's in
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach. And Bo texted me a while ago, and he was wanting to know when we was going to get down there.
He is ready for us to get down there because he wants us to meet him.
We hope we get to see them down there, but we don't know if we'll get to her.
I don't remember what day we're going to be there. We're here. We'll go to Charleston first, then we're Myrtle Beach. It'll probably be Tuesday,
Yeah, somewhere around there.
maybe Tuesday
Before we get there.
get there.
And I hope he's still there when we get there so we can meet up with him and get to see him.
Yeah, we'll meet up with him, go eat dinner. He'll be tickled.
That'll be good for him. But y'all, I guess what we're fixing to do, we're fixing to close it up for the night, get ready to rest, and get up in the morning, like I said, at 5 o'clock, and we're going to head out in the morning and see if we can find us a good place to park there. Hopefully we'll be able to find one.
I'm on.
And we'll watch Melissa try out her personal air conditioner that she's got and see how
That's
it works.
right.
She can test it out and let me know. If it's good, we'll let y'all know and tell you about it. And by the way, Where's the best place that y'all have found to park in Savannah, Georgia, and next to the Riverwalk and the squares and stuff that's down there? Let us know in the comments. Leave us a comment about it and let us know where all y'all parked at.
Well, it ain't like we won't be back to Savannah.
Well, you never know.
No.
We got a lot of traveling yet. Hopefully, as long as the good Lord lets us stay going, that'll be a good thing. So we'll see y'all in the morning about 5 o'clock. I'll wake her up about 4 o'clock. You're gonna what?
Knock you in the head, you wake me up at 4 o'clock.
Did y'all hear that? She's gonna knock me in the head. We'll see y'all.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I find my way and get off of this lonely road. Off of this lonely road, off of this lonely road, off of this lonely road, off of this lonely road. Get off of this lonely road. And get off of this lonely road.